Hi guys. Hey, so we've been talking about weather this week. Actually, we talk about the weather every morning, right? Every morning before we start our school day. So Miss Eyes will continue to teach us about Florida weather and also weather around the world. And besides, we were thinking, how cool would it be to share with you guys a fun project to do today, and you can use it while we're talking about weather. So today we're gonna make something called a barometer. What is a barometer, you ask? Well, a barometer is a weather instrument that measures the changes in the atmospheric pressure, or in other words, air pressure. And I'm looking out the door because I can hear a bird and getting distracted. But anyway, so this is what you're gonna need, okay? You might wanna do this with mom or dad or an adult so that you have fun together, but most importantly, you're safe and don't get hurt. So let's see, what do we need? We need scissors, we need a straw, we need tape, a rubber band, a big balloon, a red marker to indicate high pressure, hotness, or blue, and the blue marker for when it decreases for coolness, and also a jar. I use a glass jar. I couldn't find a tin can. I suggest you guys use a tin can because it's safer, okay? So this is how you start. We're gonna take our balloon. We're gonna cut just the bottom part. I turned it upside down. So you're gonna cut this top here. And this is where you might wanna have two people or someone help you, okay? You're gonna stretch it, put it over the jar, and get your rubber band. And make sure it's tight around there. And the top should be smooth and tight there, okay? And we take our straw. We cut it at an angle because your straw is gonna be a pointer. Take a piece of Scotch tape, and your pointer this end should be at the very center at the top there. Okay, and how cool is that? So I made a graph here, a picture graph with the sun being at the top, three marks there, okay? The top would be when it increases, meaning the pressure is high. And this is where our starting point is. And the bottom marker would be low pressure, meaning it'd be cooler, okay? So I'm gonna put this out in my yard, somewhere safe where the glass is not gonna get damaged or away from animals out there. So you might wanna pick somewhere in your yard or outside that would be safe too. On here, I also have an information sheet. We'll share that with you. I already recorded some information from yesterday's weather that we did. And today I'll record the information that I got. And I went out there this morning and I noticed there's a difference in the other barometer that I made. Okay, and I'm gonna record that there. So until we meet again and talk about this, and if you do make one of these, be thinking about what it means when the pressure goes up, what's happening, and be thinking also what happens with the pressure when it goes down, okay? What's the difference between the two, okay? Well, I hope you guys have fun doing this. I did, and hope you get to do this with mom or dad, and we'll continue learning about weather, collecting information, and calculating the daily measurements or information we get from this, okay? Bye.